Pakistan Super League 2026 All Team Retained Player List. Peshawar Zalmi Retained Player List. Babar Azam Opening Batter. Saim Ayub Opening Batter. Amir Jamal Fast Bowling All-Rounder. Lucky Wood Fast Bowler. Lahore Qalandars Retained Player List. Shahinshah Afridi Left Arm Fast Bowler. Haris Roque Right Arm Fast Bowler. Fakhar Zaman Top Order Batter. Sikandar Raja Batting All-Rounder. Islamabad United Retained Player List. Shadab Khan All-Rounder. Nasim Shah Right Arm Fast Bowler. Imad Wasim All-Rounder. Colin Munro Opening Batter. Multan Sultan Retained Player List. Mohammad Rezwan Wicketkeeper Batter. Iftekhar Ahmed Bowling All-Rounder. David Willey Left Arm Fast Bowler. Usman Mir Leg Spinner. Karachi Kings Retained Player List. Shan Masood Opening Batter. Hassan Ali Right Arm Fast Bowler. David Warner Opening Batter. Quetta Gladiators Retained Player List. South Shakil Middle Order Batter. Mohammad Amir Left Arm Fast Bowler. Riley Rushu Top Order Batter. Abrar Ahmed Leg Spinner.